Today I bring in the Powstick. This is a USB charging area station. So now a lot of these projects, there are people are staying from home. They have a multiple systems that need to be charged through USB. So we're gonna open it up and we're gonna see what you get when you purchase something like this. But first of all, this could be mounted anywhere. If you have double-sided tape, if you have a table that has one input, maybe this is useful. So we're gonna take a look at it and see where you can put this and how to use this. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. First of all, you get the actual box itself, and this is a little heavy duty. It does have feet, but like I said, you could do double-sided tape on some of these things, and you can set it up. There is a power station in here with the 2 points, if you guys can see it. We get the actual power station, and we get instructions on it. So we're gonna plug this in right now and see how much voltage you get on this one. So this one's smart USB charge 8X. Pretty much charges 8 items at the same time. You can do that. Now you can put your iPad, your iPhone, your droids, your pretty much a lot of applications here. Not only that, you have a lot of desktop things that require this. Lamps, LED lights, and RGB lighting, all that stuff, and you could connect through here and power it. Now it does tell you on the front, each port is about 5 volts, all right, 2.4 amps, all right, total. Total of 60 watts. So pretty much that's what you're gonna get it, not higher than that. So any supercharging station, this is not for that, for especially if you have those droid applications. Now this is perfect if you have like iPads, your iPhone, your simple charging station and RGB lightings that you have. This could be the theme for you. So it's a heavy duty. It's aluminum base. I like the style of it. I like that they just give you up front the thing. The only thing I wish it could have been separate a little bit more, but because of the electronics, they have to both get up together. So let's go ahead and power it up and see how well it works. All right, plugging it in, light came on automatically. We're gonna grab something and make sure that it is doing 5 amps. So right now we have an actual amp reader here, and we pretty much set it up in one of the USBs. Let's go ahead and do that. And then it's going to display here in a minute. It's going to display how much voltage is actually going. There it is. So we could see that it's 5.19 volts, all right? That's not bad. So it is reading properly like it's supposed to. It's not going overage. It's transmitting pretty good. So the tester came out positive. Now we're going to go ahead and plug things in here and see how well it works and how you can divide things. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Let's go fill up all the USBs and see how well they actually fit in here and how do you got the cable manage the stuff. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's show you the reality, how it looked like in the spaghetti factory here. So pretty much all these units are all plugged in, all right? And we got multiple Type-C multiple connections in here. We got our phone charger too that we're gonna end up using our watch charger here. We got a couple iPads around surrounding us, a Droid application, Droid phone, if you guys can see it, and it is charging. Like I unplug it and unplug it in back in. It's not a supercharged station, but it starts charging, as you can see, automatically. This one was dead. It's charging now. And this one, if you guys noted, this is a iPad Pro. So I'm plugging it in and it starts charging again. It's at 98 right now. Pretty much all these units are pretty much fixed. I got multiple charger stations. So this is very reliable if you have multiple systems to do at the same time in the same desk, because, or if you have a facility there, you're going to want everybody to plug in. This is pretty well. Now, cable management is a problem with this because if you can see, this is a full usage of all the ports here. You're going to have to do your own cable management on this. Now, this was a heavy duty one that could take various connections, but they're all USB type A connections, all right? Nothing up front. Whatever you set up on the other end, it could be a type C. It's up to you, but 5 volts is maximum that you can, 2.4 amps is the maximum you can do. 8 charging stations. So all right, you can also use this in any place you travel to, like in hotels and stuff like that. This is a perfect item to add into your location, so everything can be charged from here. It's not that bad. It's really convenient for us because when you go to hotels, they don't have any plugs to plug in USBs or anything like that sometimes. So great convenience to travel with. So another thing I took over with me. So that's not bad.